In this video, I want to go over 4 very popular types of printable products and how you can get started selling those today or very soon if you'd like. So I'm going to talk about 4 popular printable categories and show you what's selling now and some options for designing and publishing these so you can get them out into the marketplace. So there is a big market for all types of printables, but there are 4 that are extremely popular and they're easy, quick, and fun to do. So the first one is party supplies. Everyone loves a party and people now are gathering more than ever. So party supplies are easy to make, easy to sell, and lend themselves to bundling. You can create things like invitations, banners, party games, things like that. So you will need, of course, some types of illustrations, and you might want to also consider bundling these together. And you can even have it where people can customize these as well. So there's lots of opportunities to get illustrations. You can look at places like the 100 JPEG or Fontsy, and those have some great different types of fonts like these here as a kind of a cool font that's being used with this one here, and of course some illustrations and images as well. The second one is greeting cards. There is a very large market for greeting cards, and a lot of times people want to have something very specific. So again, with greeting cards, you could be unique, stand out from some of the other ones that are out there, maybe create a whole line of cards, and again, consider offering personalization for people. Now, wall art is another extremely popular category, but you don't have to be a fine artist to create wall art. There are a lot of tools out there where you can create some wall art that people love that doesn't require excessive drawing or painting or anything like that. Some of the types of tools you can use are things like Canva, PicMonkey, Photopea, and you can get a lot of illustrations and graphics at Creative Market and those types of places. So here's an example of wall art. Basically, you have just a image in the background and then a quote over it as well. Now, stickers are another extremely popular thing to create. They're popular, adaptable, and you can either have it where people print them at home with at-home sticker paper, or they can just order them already printed out if you're using a print-on-demand service. A lot of times, too, digital stickers now are extremely popular, where people just, are using them digitally as well. So some of the places you can get started are Placeit and Smart Mockups if you're creating a mock-up of what they're going to look like, and you can use places like WebSticker, Stickers.pub, and Stick and Plan to help you design these, and Printful and Printify as far as print on demand, like actually printing them out for people. So if you'd like to learn more about popular printables that go beyond the basic printables, you want to check out my training Beyond Printables. I go over lots of different popular ones that you can get started with and even give you templates that you can use. So you can check that out in the description.